Hello, I'm Dawn, and I love Skyview Detroit. I did actually send them an email where I said I was a big fan very recently. So, hello, I'm Dawn, and I was looking to upgrade my backyard. Wanted to be able to spend more time out here, and I work with Skyview Detroit, and they made that happen for me. And the conversation was lovely. No pressure, very no pressure, whatever I wanted to do. And I was like, this is everything I want. This is solid. Talked about the hurricane rating, talked about the fact that they could go up and down. It was everything that I wanted. They literally marked it on the ground. Yes, he came, he actually did some test drilling to determine if we had concrete poured deep enough or if they needed to do something for the hurricane grade. So he tested it himself, didn't take anybody's word for it, and then marked it out and asked me to come out and look and how does this feel? Look at the steps between here to your pool, because that had been a concern of mine. And no, Skyview Detroit addressed everything that I was concerned about before we even started. So I had 2 weeks in the summer that I was not going to be home. And we really tried to make sure that my construction didn't happen then. But as you know, it was a very rainy summer, things being what they were. My time period got pushed back, and it did happen while I was out of town. Although my neighbors took a bunch of pictures, and I understand came over and chatted with the crew who was putting it up. Everybody said they were very respectful, started on time, didn't leave a mess, cleaned up. They actually finished a day early, which I was surprised about because they had set expectations and they finished a day early. And then next was the electricians. Well, my niece was house setting, my 17-year-old niece, and I said, I'm sorry, but there is no way I am going to let an electrical crew into the house when it's my 17-year-old niece by herself. And what really made my heart warm was when I was told, absolutely not, we wouldn't want that either. We will come out again when you are home. And I was just, that's caring and respect, and it really made my heart happy. And they just, wonderful communication every step of the way. Valerie is amazing. I love Valerie so much. She's charming, she's nice, she's always on top of it. I am one of those people, I don't check my email, and so she learned that, so she would text me special. So Skyview Detroit actually works with you based on how you want to work. It's not cookie cutter. And I know that because they worked differently with me, and I really appreciated it.